Evolution of marketing. In this video, we will discuss how marketing has evolved and continues to evolve with time, as well as how we can adapt to these changes. It seems that ever since someone realized the need to sell their products or services, the concept of marketing came into existence. Although there may not be a specific starting reference for marketing, it is important to understand how marketing evolved over time and how it may continue to change. Let me explain by imagining a world where there were no TVs, radios, or newspapers. A time when there was no technological advancement. Even in those days, people would market their goods by word of mouth, traveling to sell their products, or using various other means. As time passed and technology emerged, people's interests and preferences changed. As their interests changed, business adopted their practices and marketing strategies accordingly. One important thing to understand is that marketing at its core remains almost the same. It is a process, the process of creating something for someone and presenting it to them, something that holds value for them. Marketing involves delivering that message to them, whether it's through word of mouth or reaching them through various other means. There are different techniques, methods, and names for it. Today, in the digital era, we can understand digital marketing because we are in a digital world. However, 100 years ago, there was no digital trend. So, if we try to understand the timeline, major developments occur before technology. People start printing newspaper using their hands. Then came printing technology, followed by the introduction of the radio, which enabled broadcasting. Later, television emerged, adding visuals to the mix. This continued with the advent of color TVs and mobile phones. People now have laptops, computers, and internet access, which have transformed the world. You have access to various platforms and information anytime, anywhere. Looking into the future, we can expect artificial intelligence and the concept of metaverse, a virtual world where you can immerse yourself and interact with others. The world is constantly changing. However, marketing itself doesn't change. The marketing process remains the same. What change is the medium or platform through which we reach our audience. Previously, people prefer going to physical stores, but now they prefer online shopping on platforms like Facebook. In the future, as the metaverse become more prevalent, people will engage and conduct business within that virtual space. Each era has its own platform and making techniques adapt accordingly. Every era and every platform has its own parameters and requirements. Video marketing has different parameters from audio based marketing, and text based marketing is different as well. SEO has its own set of rules. Facebook has its own dynamics, and TikTok operates differently. In a sense, every platform has its own nuances. However, the marketing process remains consistent.